వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ అంటే ఫారెస్ట్ లో పెంచుకొని డొమెస్టిక్ అంటే ఇంట్లో పెంచుకునేది. జిరాఫీ వైల్డ్. కౌ డొమెస్టిక్. Wolf owl. Wild. Domestic. Horse. Domestic. Domestic. Wild animal.
What is that?
Tiger.
Okay, next. What is that animal? What is that animal?
Lion. Lion. King. Wild. Raju. Domestic.
Rhinoceros.
Dinosaur.
What is that animal?
Rhinoceros.
Wild or domestica?
Wild.
Okay, next.
Ox. Domestic.
Next.
Crocodile. Wild. ఇదండి. Yak.
Wild or domestica?
Wild.
Good.
Wild.
What is that animal?
Camel.
Good. Next.
Fox.
What is that? Wild or domestica?
Wild.
Good. What is that?
Squirrel.
Wild or domestica?
Domestic.
Good.
Fish.
Wild or domestica?
Domestic.
What is that animal?
Monkey.
Domestic or wild?
Wild.
Good. Next. The last one is?
Yes.
What is that animal?
Animal.
What is that?
Cat.
Domestic or wild?
Wild.
Do you have cats at your home?
Yeah.
Cat. Tell me about cat.
Yes. Milk.
Mm.
Pink milk.